Unlock Samsung Care Plus for your flagship device. Enroll now. Have you ever wished you could add Samsung Care Plus to your device after the purchase? Well, now's your chance. For a limited time, Samsung is opening the doors to Care Plus for anyone with a current flagship device. This exciting opportunity runs until June 15th, so don't miss out. Previously, you could only sign up for Samsung Care Plus when you bought a new device. If you hesitated at that moment, tough luck. But now, if you own a Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Tab S10 Plus, or Tab S10 Ultra, you can enroll in Care Plus and enjoy peace of mind. Before you jump in, just a quick note, your device needs to be in good condition when you sign up. If it's already broken, you'll need to get it fixed first before you can enroll. Samsung has a straightforward way to verify your device's condition. They'll conduct a video call to check it out. So, what's in it for you? Samsung Care Plus with theft and loss is super affordable, costing between 32 cents and 58 cents per day, depending on your device. With this plan, you get unlimited repairs for drops and spills, including battery issues and same-day cracked screen and back glass repairs. Plus, if your device gets lost or stolen, you can get a replacement on the same day. But that's not all. You'll also benefit from Knox Guard Security, ensuring your device stays safe and secure. All repairs and replacements are handled at over 700 Samsung authorized locations across the US where certified technicians use only genuine Samsung parts. This is a fantastic opportunity to protect your investment and enjoy the full benefits of Samsung Care Plus. Don't wait too long, enroll before June 15th and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve.